If you have bought a cheap lotion hoping that it would work for you, but you saw zero results, then this video is for you. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a favorite girl, Amarachi Favy. And if today is the very first day you see me on your screen, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy, and here we do all things related to skincare, feminine hygiene. I give you girls tips on the day I feel like. And I bet you subscribing to this channel is absolutely free because you have a lot to learn. I would want you to subscribe to this channel. So in this very video, I'm going to be telling you how to activate your cheap lotions, even your expensive lotions, because it does not matter the amount that you bought the lotions. Maybe you're not just using it the right way. That is the reason why the body lotions are not working for you. And then it's to make you to keep changing lotions every 3AK market days. But in this video, I'm going to give you the tips, I'm going to give you the hacks, I'm going to give you every details that you need that would make you not to change your lotions every 3AK market days. Rather, you're going to implement these tips and then watch your skin glow. Watch those lotions work for you. Do you get? I use the most affordable lotions that anybody can use this year 2025, and I can bet you that I'm seeing good results with the lotions because I'm doing the things I'm supposed to do. I was once like you. Every time I'm changing lotions because I believe that it's not working for me. But ever since I started implementing these hacks, these tips into my body care routines, I've been seeing nothing but great and amazing results. And I started to just share it with you guys, because if I don't share it with you, who am I supposed to share it with? The very first thing I want to tell you is that I use Dove. You guys already know Dove. This is Dove Invigorating Care Body Lotion, and I also use this particular one from Face Fact as well. This one is Face Fact Vitamin C Body Lotion. But these days I've been reaching out to Dove more often because this is more moisturizing and also lightweight, so it doesn't make me to sweat. But this one is thicker and it doesn't really moisturize the skin that well the way that Dove would. And I can bet you that this is affordable and this is also affordable, and it is working for me. Okay, so it does not matter the amount that you bought or the price tag attached to your body lotion. No, the price tag will never make the lotion to work for you. You might be using the most expensive lotion in the world, yet you will not be getting the result that you are supposed to be getting. So the tip number one I'm going to give to you is that you are supposed to be exfoliating your skin while you are using your body lotions. Most of us do not exfoliate our skin. Like, we can never exfoliate our skin. So if you know that you're on this table, I'm talking to you. So what I'm trying to say is you're going to get a good scrub, a good exfoliating scrub, either brightening or just normal scrub, and then use it to exfoliate your skin. I have a detailed video. I have 2 detailed videos where I talked about how to exfoliate your skin, like from the beginning till the end. Like, that video is so detailed. This year I even did an updated version, so I will actually leave the links to these videos I'm talking about in the comment section pinned so that you can go and watch them. Exfoliation will help to get rid of dead skin cell and also open up your pores. If your pores are closed, like your skin pores, if they are closed, there is no how these products will penetrate into your skin and do the job that they're supposed to do for you on your skin. Take it from me. Do you get? If your skin pores are open, the products will sink into your skin well and get the job done, not just staying on the surface of your skin doing nothing. So if you also exfoliate very, very well, it can also help to get rid of dead skin cells. Dead skin cells are actually the cells actually cover your skin, and they regenerate on our skin like every week. So you have to exfoliate. You have to have a good exfoliating timetable for it to go away. And also, over exfoliation can even cause more harm on your skin than good. So that's the reason why I'm saying that you should go and watch that video. Also, choosing the right and the best scrubs for you, for your skin type, is the most amazing thing that can happen to your skin. If you are using the wrong scrubs, you might not get the great or the wonderful result that you are supposed to get on your skin. Rather, you'll be getting bad results. None of us wants to have a bad skin, okay? So that's the reason why I'm putting you on to this exfoliation. The second tip that can actually help you to get good result when it comes to using your cheap or affordable body lotions would have to be you adding vitamin E capsules to your body lotion. You see this body lotion? I added vitamin E capsule to it, and also this one, I added vitamin E capsule to it. I cannot get a body lotion and I will not add vitamin E capsule to the body lotion. The reason is because vitamin E capsule helps to actually like furthermore brighten your skin, lock in moisture, and also make your body lotions to work and work effectively. Even if I should go through the ingredient list and I see that the product contains vitamin E, I'm going to actually add 4 vitamin E capsules or 3 vitamin E capsules to the body lotion, because I want that moisture, I want that hydration, I want that brightening, I want the lotion to work and work effectively for me. Vitamin E helps to improve your skin texture, reduce dark spots, and also make your skin feel rich. Do you get? It helps make your skin feel very rich and lush, okay? So the top tip that can actually help your body lotions work for you would be you applying your body lotions on a damp skin. I always say this whenever I give like reviews on body lotions or give a detailed body care routine. I always say you should apply your body lotions on a damp skin. The reason is that when you're out of the shower, your skin is still soft, your skin is still supple, your skin pores are open, and your skin is ready to accept this product. So do not wait for your skin to get dry before you start applying your body lotions on your skin. If you apply your body lotions on a damp skin, you're going to be doing 2 things. You're going to be using lesser products, okay, to achieve a great result. Lesser products to achieve a great result. I'm not saying that your skin will be very, very wet, like, dripping wet. No. What I mean by a damp skin is that your skin will not be too wet and it will not be too dry, just in between, okay? Then you go ahead and apply your body lotion evenly. That way your skin will absorb these products ASAP, like ASAP, okay? It has absorb the products immediately and get the job done. If you apply your products on a dry skin, you might actually get the result that you need, because it will take time for your skin, to start accepting the product, because your skin is dry and your skin pores are closed. I don't know if you're understanding the points that I'm trying to state in this video, but if you apply your body lotions on a damp skin, give yourself 2 weeks, sis, you are going to glow. There's no how you will not have a glowy and a radiant skin. So the fourth step that can actually make your body lotions to work for you would be you using a brightening bar soap, okay? Most of us tend to leave all the work for our body lotions alone, which is not good. You don't have to leave the job for a particular product to do. You're going to split the job, division of labor would even make the thing to work faster for you. What I mean is you're getting brightening bar soaps, good brightening bar soaps. If I follow me, you should know that I give affordable and also effective brightening bar soaps and even brightening body washes. If you actually leave this work for just your body lotions to do, it will not work, okay? You're actually going to be expecting just these 2 body lotions to do all the job for you. You're just being delusional. But if you do this thing by giving some of the job to your body bar soap or your body washes, you will see that it will also work, okay? It will help to brighten your skin, and then furthermore, you will use your lotions to lock in moisture. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? What I'm trying to say is that you should get a brightening bar soap and add it into your body care routine and watch your skin glow. The 5th tip that can actually help your body lotions to work for you would be you also using brightening body oils. Just the same way I mentioned that you should not leave the jobs alone for your body lotions or your bar soaps, you should get a brightening body oil. The thing that a brightening body oil will do for you, number 1, is going to actually help to lock in moisture, lock in the ingredient that comes from these body lotions, and make them to stay longer on your body. If you have these lotions on your skin and you notice that whenever you go out, you notice that friction always occurs. These lotions can even get moved and then you sweat and it will just, get out of your skin, okay, or off your body. But if you apply these lotions and then go ahead to apply your brightening body oils, okay, especially at night, because I recommend that you apply your brightening body oils at night, you're going to notice that it will lock in the ingredients from this body lotion and also make less friction to occur on your skin. Do you get? Because that way the brightening body oils have sealed the ingredients from this body lotion. So you see, even if you're using a lotion of 2,500 naira, although I don't think there's a lotion of 2,500 naira, you start noticing that your body lotions will start working effectively for you. So do not leave the job for just your body lotion. Split it. Your bar soap should have some, your body lotion should have some, and your body oil should have some, including your body scrub, okay? So the 6th tip that can actually make the body lotions to work for you have to be you staying consistent. Consistency and patience is one thing you need when you want to achieve a glowy or a radiant skin. If you're not patient, if you're not consistent, there's no how these things will work for you. I can tell you, okay? The reason why I'm saying this is that most of you come out here and be like, I want to get your skin. I want to have the kind of skin you have. It took me years for me to be here. It took this skin years. It took this skin years of testing and trying out products, years of testing and trying out a lot of tips and a lot of hacks. And then finally, I settled for the one that finally worked for me. So you don't have to just expect that these things will work for you immediately you start doing them. You have to wear a garment of patience. You have to be consistent at doing your body care routine. You have to be what I call being religious at doing this, okay? You have to do it and do it and do it and do it. You don't have to expect that these things will just start working for you in 3 days. No. If you start implementing these tips, at least within 1 month, 2 months, you are going to be getting a glowy and a radiant skin, and you will stop changing body lotions because you would notice that these body lotions are already working for you. And there you have it, my loves. These are tips that I've tested and also trusted by me. They are proven, okay? This is an evidence that these tips will work for you if you follow all these things I said in this video religiously, and you are patient and you are consistent at doing your body care routines. Even on the days you're tired, please make sure you do them so that you would achieve a faster result. December is already coming, and I know that we all want to glow. But if you are not doing these things right, you are not going to glow. That is just it. So there you have it, my loves. These are the tips that can help you to actually make your cheap or your expensive body lotions to work for you, so that you stop changing body lotions every month. If you have watched particular point of the video, you are the real MVP. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. Leave a comment in the comment section telling me the body lotion that you use. I would want to know, okay? And also remember to share this video and like this video. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.